Assalamu alaikum, this is Umar Khan, your English language instructor, and today I'm back again with another amazing video. And in this particular video, I'm going to teach you some drama ready and sassy idioms that can help you speak English in a more personalized and different way. So, the first one is play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Now, it means if you do something wrong, you have to face the consequences. Just like this, we did some idioms that was face the music or pay the piper. That also means if you do something wrong, you have to face the consequences. So, for this, the idiom that was play stupid games, win stupid prizes. For this, we are going to say she got caught lying. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Or we can also say they scammed people and got sued. They scammed people and got sued. So I must say, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Next, he cheated and got exposed. He cheated and got exposed. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Or you can also say, you ignored my advice. Don't be shocked. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. You ignored my advice. Don't be shocked. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Okay? On number two, we have let them talk. I'm still cashing checks. Now, it means let them say whatever they want to say because I'm busy succeeding. Let them say whatever they want to say because I'm busy succeeding. For this, we can say they can hate all they want because I'm busy cashing checks. Or you can also say haters watch every move I make, but I'm busy cashing checks. Or we can also say call it controversy, I call it marketing because I'm busy cashing checks. Okay? Next, not my circus, not my monkey. Not my circus, not my monkey. Now it means not my responsibility. Saying in a sense that it's not my responsibility. Okay? For this, you can say they're firing again. Well, not my circus, not my monkey. Okay? Or you can also say people like making chaos. I stay out. People like making chaos. That means people like fighting. People like making chaos, but I stay out. Not my circus, not my monkey. Or you can also say, their scandal, I don't care because not my circus, not my monkey. Okay? Make it make sense. Now it means something that has no sense or something that doesn't make sense, something that is unjustifiable or irreasonable. For this, you can say, so he cheated and blamed her. Come on, make it make sense. So he cheated but blamed her. Come on, make it make sense. Okay, next, they fired the best employee without giving any reason. Come on, someone make it make sense to me. They fired the best employee without giving any reason. Come on, someone make it make sense to me. Next, they cancelled me for breathing. That means they cancelled me for no big reason. They cancelled me for breathing. Come on, make it make sense to me. They cancelled me for breathing. Come on, make it make sense to me. Now, this idiom is one of my favorites. Too glam to give a damn. Too glam to give a damn. Now, it usually refers to a person who stays completely unbothered of the situations or things around him or her. For this, I can say, they're talking about me again. Well, I'm too glam to give. They're talking about me again. Well, I'm too glam to give a damn. Or you can also say, you can't shake me. You can't shake me. I'm too glam to give a damn. Next is, I am the blueprint. Now it means I am the blueprint means that I am original, I'm authentic, or I am the first copy. For this, you can say, fashion girls, take notes. I'm the blueprint. Fashion girls, take notes. I am the blueprint. Or you can also say her impact, it's undeniable. She is the blueprint. Her impact is undeniable. She is the blueprint. Or you can also say they try to copy her style because she is the blueprint. They try to copy her style because she is the blueprint. Or you can also say, if they mimic me, that's absolutely okay because I am the blueprint. If they mimic me, that's absolutely fine because I am the blueprint. Last but not the least, built different. Now, this usually refers to a person who is strong, intellectual, or is unique, has a lot of skills. For this, you can say handling different tasks at a time. Well, built different. Handling different tasks at a time. Well, I'm built different. Next, not everyone can handle that, but I am built different. Not everyone can handle that, but I am built different. Next, no matter what happens, I rise and shine because I am built different. No matter what happens, I rise and shine because I am built different. Now, this is it for now. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.